If you're a digital creator, then you already know that one of the most frustrating parts of creating is when you build something amazing on your phone. Then, when it's time for you to transfer files or projects to your laptop, everything just becomes stressful. You are dealing with cables, you are dealing with connections, and suddenly everything just scatter and everything is glitching. Some of your files after transferring might not even open correctly, and that's become a mess. Well, that's exactly the problem this video is going to solve. I'm going to be showing you how you can transfer your project seamlessly from your phone to your laptop. No complicated setup is needed, no stress, and the best part, it's completely free and super easy for you to set it up. Let's begin. Open your web browser and type localsend download for PC. Hit enter and click on downloads. And here you have option to download for Windows, Mac, Linux, Android, or even an iOS. And here you can either download as extension or as zip. After downloading, click on the download icon here and open the folder. Minimize the page and go to your desktop. Right click and click on new. Click on new folder and you're going to create a new folder and rename your folder to any name you can easily remember. Go back to where your download is, the local send where you downloaded it to, click on it, and here install for all is the recommended one, but I'm going with install for only me. Click OK, click browse so we can select where you want this software to install to. Now go ahead and pick your folder. In this case, I'm going with desktop. Click OK, click next. And here, please make sure you click on create a desktop shortcut. Click install. Then go ahead and click on finish. And this is the next page you are going to see if you follow the process properly. Now head over to your iPhone or an Android phone and on your Play Store or your Apple Store, search for localsend and install it to your phone. After the installation, click open, click allow, and this will allow localsend to find devices nearby. One important thing here is that make sure your phone and your laptop are connected to the same Wi-Fi. That's the only way this will work. If not, no matter how you try, you won't be able to get the solid connection, okay? After they are connected, below here, if you want to send a file, you click on send. If you want to receive a file, you click on receive, okay? There's one important thing we need to set up again on our laptop. So go to the local send on your laptop, click on settings, scroll down and under save to folder, click on downloads and you are going to pick where you want your project to be saving to whenever you send something from your phone or your iPad to your laptop, okay? Which is why we created that first folder. Remember, the one we created on the desktop. So you are going to pick that folder here. This will just help you to be organized and you will know the specific folder where the file you received is saved to, okay? After that, click receive, click on and you click close. Now go back to your phone and above here where you can see selection, you will see these are different things you can send from your phone to your laptop. File, text, folder, different options of items you can send, okay? For this tutorial, click on media. You are going to allow full access and select the image or video you want to send. Then you click on this icon and you click confirm. Then you will see this nickname as Bright Pineapple. Yours might be different, but in my case, what I can see is Bright Pineapple. Click on it. Once you click on it and you see this dialog, go to your laptop and click accept. And you will see that your laptop and your phones are loading and now the file has been sent successfully. And if you want to send from your laptop to your phone, just simply click on send, click on file and pick the file you want to send to your phone. Click on the nickname and when you go to your phone right now, you can see your file has now been sent successfully. And if this works for you, let me know in the comment section below. It really helped me to know I'm creating valuable content for you and content that you enjoy. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe and turn on all post notifications so you don't miss the next video. Thanks for watching and I will see you next time. Bye for now.